This conference will now be recorded.
రాధాకృష్ణ కొంచెంసేపు ఆపమ్మ, ఇంకా స్టూడెంట్ రాలేదు.
This conference will now be recorded.
Go to your Anaconda Navigator. Launch the Jupyter notebook. So Rupali, basically what you are doing, are you undergraduate student or graduate student or job looking person?
Undergraduate student.
Undergraduate student. Okay. So I think this is your batch, right?
Yeah.
So the last class we were done the Python data types and built-in functions, right? Is there any questions regarding about this one?
Nope.
No questions. Did you practice it?
Yeah. I just did
Good
the
enough.
what you said.
Now let's go for understanding the Python operators. If you go with any programming language, the operators are playing the thing. We can do some kind of operations. Okay. So let's go for understanding different kind of operators we have in Python programming language. So from that one, let's go for understanding the arithmetic operators. There we have the different kind of operations to perform different kind of operators. We have it to perform some kind of operations. Okay. For example, if you want to performing the addition operation, then we can use the plus operator. Meanwhile, we have the subtraction operation. For doing the subtraction operation, we can have the minus operator. Okay. For doing the multiplication of two numbers or two numbers, then we have the asterisk is the operator. Okay. And if you want to get the coefficient, then we can say that it's a division operation. So for performing the division operation, when you performing the division operation or when you divide it with one number, you will get the coefficient, right? To get the coefficient, then we can use the slash operator. Last but not least, that could be the modulus. Modulus will help you when you division one number with another number, you will get the remainder, right? To get the remainder, we can use this particular percentage symbol. Basically, these 5 operators are common for any programming language. Okay, but the Python is giving the 2 more operators. Once we are see some examples of this particular 5 operators, then we can look for the next 2 operators. Okay. So for example, if you want to addition with 12 with the 5, then what could be the result?
17.
It could be 17. If you go with subtraction, subtraction means what? It's a minus, right? When you go with 13 minus 4, it could be, is it 9 or not? It's a subtraction, 9. And if you want to multiply the two numbers, then for example 4 into 3, how much?
12.
Is it 12? So this is the 3 operators: addition, subtraction, and multiplication. For example, you have a number, the number is 45, and your division with 3, then what could be the result? It could be the 15, right? The coefficient, for example 46 by 3, what could be the result? 15.33333, because of this is the coefficient.
Yeah.
After 15 into 3, it's a 45, but we have a number is there, so that means 1, and but 3 is not division with 1 is not division with the 3, so that we should make it point, and we are adding the 0, then 3 3 just 9, again 1 is there, again you can add the 0, and it can keep on doing it until unless to get the remainder is 1, but it's not ended thing, so that at some digits, after some digits, they're making as the 4. Okay. See, same way, if you go with the remainder, so remainder means what? It's a modulus, right?
Yeah.
45 remainder with the 3, it's a successfully divisible, so that it's a 0. But when your division with 46, division with the 3, with 46, then what could be the result? Remainder is 1 because of 3 just 45. So 46 minus 45, it could be 1, right?
Yeah.
So this is what? So these are the 5 operators, basic arithmetic operators. Can you please note these things?
Okay, noted.
Done?
Yes. Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Yes. From the arithmetic operators, not only these 5 operators, we have 2 more operators are there. So the operator 1 is, it could be the division operation only, but it's a floor division operation. Floor division. Floor division means, here we have the, after the decimal point, we have some digits there, right? 3333. When I'm using the floor division, even it is not subtractable, so even it is not divisible, you will get the, okay, roundable number. It's not roundable number. You will get the left side of the digit, left side of the point, what number we have it. Okay. For example, 46 floor division with the 3, we'll get the 15 only. Even if I go with 45 division with the 3, you will get the 15.0 only. You'll get the, for example, 47 division with the 3. Even this situation also, it's a normal division operation, you will get the 15.66666. But whenever I'm using the floor division, you will get the flooring that division, so that we are getting the 15 only. This is the normal division and the floor division difference. Note this example.
Okay, I've noted.
Done. See, usually I just want to be multiply a number with same number. Okay. For example, I want to multiply with the 13 versus 13 only. Is it 144 or not? I want to multiply the 13 versus 13 3 times. So this time we are getting one number, right? Same number, if you want to multiple with some number of times, okay, that situation, instead of making that much of equation, we simply write it 2 stars. When you are using the 2 stars, it's a 12 into 12. Whenever I'm using the 2 stars versus 3, that means 12 2 stars of 3, which means 12 into 12 into 12. If I go with 12 2 stars of 4, which means 12 into 12 into 12 into 12. 4 times the 12 is multiplied itself. Okay, it's a simply power. 12 power of 4, 12 power of 3, 12 power of 2. Not only 12, we can use any number, but the right side could be the power number and left side could be the base number. Okay.
Couldn't we also use the power symbol to do this?
No, in case of Python programming language, we don't have the power symbol. Instead of using that power symbol, we are using the two asterisk symbols. Okay.
Okay.
So which means power 12, 4. Power is not defined.
Okay.
Done?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Basically, these are the arithmetic operators will help you to do some kind of mathematical operation.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we have some kind of relational operators. When we have the relational operators, we have some kind of less than, greater than. Okay, so when you are comparing some two objects, if you want to compare the two objects, greater than, equal to, not equal to, okay, less than or equal to. I think you've seen this kind of things, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to be performing this kind of operations, we have specific operators. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
less than, we can use the less than symbol. For greater than, we can use greater than symbol. For equal to, we can use the two equal symbols. For
Okay.
not equal to, exclamatory and equal to symbol. For less than or equal to, we can use less than symbol as well as equal to symbol. For greater than or equal to, we can use greater than symbol and equal to symbol, right? So these are the 6 operators we can use for to performing some kind of operations. Okay, you just note this one. We'll go through some examples.
Okay. Done.
Yeah, can you tell me the result? What could be the, if I go with the 12 less than 3, is it true or false? We'll get the output will be true or false. If
False.
and only if the left side data it could be smaller than the right side data, then it can be returns the true. But actually here it is the 12 is more than the 3, right? So that it could be the false. But the same thing, if I go with 3 less than 12, here 3 100% is smaller than the 12, so that it could be returns the true, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can go with greater than 12 greater than 3. Yes, 12 will be the more than the 3, so that it could be returns the true. For the same thing, if I go with the smaller with 3 greater than 12, no, it could be the false.
Mm-hmm.
So here we are getting the either true or false. So we can go through the equal to if and only if the both objects are same, then it could be the true. Otherwise, it could be the false. Okay. So first one is the true because of both objects are same. It could be the true. If the both objects are different, then it could be a false.
Uh-huh.
If
Yeah.
you go with not equal to, if and only if both are different, then only it can be true. If the both are same, it could be returns the false.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yep.
note this for example.
Okay. Okay, done.
Okay. Less than or equal to. That means 12 less than symbol or equal to 3. This situation 12 is not smaller than the, okay, 3, so that it could be the false. Even both are same, that situation also it could be the true, or else 100% the left side data it could be smaller than the right side data. This two situations it could be the true, otherwise it could be the false. Okay,
Okay.
same same thing if you go with greater than symbol, either both are same or else left side data, it could be the greater than the right side data. The two situations, it could be the true. Just note these two examples.
Okay. Okay, done.
Done, right?
Mhm.
Now we have the two more keywords are there, which is the in keyword. In keyword means we have some kind of group of elements. We have some kind of group of elements. So you have some data. The data which is available inside of the group, then it could be the returns the true. If it is not available, then it could be the false. Okay. So
Okay.
here the B is not available in A. So B in A. If I'm using the B in A, the 34 is not available in the group of elements. So it could be the false. If it is available, then it could be the true. Okay. But C is 9, right? The C is available or not?
Yes.
C 9 is available in A. So that it was true. So this is the way in operator will performing the whether the group, whether one particular element which is available or not, that we can check with help of the in keyword. Not in. When we go through the not in, so if and only if, so it is quite opposite. It's quite opposite for that. Okay. If the B
Yeah.
is not available, then it can be the returns the true. If it is available, then it could be the returns of false. It's quite opposite for the in operator. Both are performing the same thing, but quite opposite.
Okay.
Note this example.
Okay, done.
Good enough. Now we have one more keyword. The keyword name is keyword. Basically, what it will do, it will check the memory location, not the data. Memory location is same or not, that we can see. For example, I have a data. The data is Python, and I have the data, and this is also Python only. Both variables are holding the same thing. Meanwhile, equal to Python program. Python program. If I
Okay.
go with we also Python program. So this situation, every character could be the same only. Okay, if I go with A is B, this situation, it can be returns the true because of here the A memory location and the B memory location both are same. But when you go with the next one, A is B, here the both memory locations are different, so that it was returns the false. So why it is returns false? That if you want to check it out it, then we have to find the memory location of A before we are executing the A is B. And so let me go with find out the memory location of B. So same way for the second example also, we can try to find the memory location of A and memory location of B. See, for the first A and B holding the Python, if the memory locations are same, so that it was returns the true. But when you go through the A and B, if the both data will be the same, but thing is that the memory location of A and the memory location of B both are different, so that it was returns the false, right?
Mhm.
Just
Okay.
note this example.
Okay. Noted.
So we have the is not operator.
Mhm.
So is not will performing the same thing of the is, but quite opposite. If the memory locations are same, it could be the false. If the memory locations are different, it could be the true.
Okay.
Okay?
No.
Note this example.
Okay, done.
Yeah. So as of now, we done the half of the Python operators concepts. By next class, what we will do, we can continue the continuation of the Python operators. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
So
sounds good.
go and practice same information. Okay.
What
Okay. Once we done the Python, sorry.
what practice would you like me to be doing? Is there something on the Canvas page?
Same thing. Same thing. We can repeat it. Same thing. We can repeat it 1 or 2 times. Okay. Thank you. Bye. See you. Take care.
For tomorrow's class, could we do it at around? Could we do it a half hour later? Is that possible or no?
You can check with your team. I will let you know about that one. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Your concern, whatever it is, you can talk with your consultant team. Okay. So they will explain me what exactly you are looking. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Good enough. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye.